Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Drexel University step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Drexel University's homepage. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the homepage is fully visible, look for the login option. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the authentication page. In the login fields, enter your Drexel University username. Next, input your password in the designated field. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the login button to proceed. Wait for the system to process your login request. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your Drexel University account dashboard. If you encounter an error, review your username and password for typos. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, navigate through your account to access various services. Remember to log out when finished to ensure your account's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact info. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.